Welcome to the Power of Prayer channel. Here is a space of faith, hope and union, where together we seek the strength that comes from prayer to transform our lives. The Chaplet of Mercy is a powerful devotion revealed by Jesus to Saint Faustina Kowalska, in which he promises to shower abundant graces on those who recite it with faith and confidence. Prayer, which consists of repeating simple supplications asking for mercy for the world, has become a source of comfort and hope for many believers around the world. In this context, Jesus made 14 promises linked to the practice of this devotion, emphasizing infinite divine mercy and the salvation of souls. Let's look at the 14 promises of Jesus in the Chaplet of Mercy. 1. The soul that recites the Rosary will be enveloped by my mercy during its life and in a special way at the time of death. 2. Even the most hardened sinner, if he recites this Rosary just once, will receive the grace of my infinite mercy. 3. Through this chaplet, I will grant all possible grace to souls. 4. When they pray this Rosary at the bedside of the dying, I will be with them. 5. Those who spread my mercy will have their souls protected throughout their lives and especially at the time of death. 6. At the hour of death, I will not be a judge for them, but the merciful Savior. 7. By praying this chaplet, humanity will approach the source of my mercy. 8. The souls that trust in my mercy will not perish. 9. Every soul who recites this Rosary will praise my mercy. 10. I offer sinners abundant salvation through the Chaplet of Mercy. 11. This Rosary is a means of reconciliation for the entire world. 12. The souls who recite this Rosary, with confidence, will experience my peace. 13. Reciting this Rosary is a sign of hope and faith. 14. This chaplet is a shield for those who trust in me. Jesus' 14 promises in the Chaplet of Mercy reveal the immense love and compassion he has for each of us. Reciting this prayer not only brings us closer to God's infinite mercy, but also fills us with peace, hope and the certainty that, by trusting in His goodness, we will be supported in all circumstances of life, especially at the time of our death. Thus, the Chaplet of Mercy becomes a path of salvation and a constant invitation to full trust in the merciful love of Jesus. Thank you for being with us on the Power of Prayer channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe so we can continue spreading messages of faith and hope. Until the next meeting, and may God bless you all.